In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an area chart in Tradingview. Many traders prefer area charts for their simplicity and visual clarity, offering a smooth, shaded view of price movement over time. Let's dive right in and set up our area chart step by step. First, open Tradingview and select the chart you wish to modify. To do this, simply navigate to the top menu and access your list of charts. Once your preferred chart is displayed, we'll begin altering its type. Now direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner where you'll find a button that looks like a small group of bars. Give it a click. This action will present you with several chart style options. From these, select the area option. Instantly, your chart will transform into the clean, shaded area chart you've chosen. While you're here, consider clicking the star icon next to the area option to add this style to your favorites for quicker access in the future. Having selected your chart type, you might want to adjust the time frame to analyze price movements efficiently. Tradingview provides flexibility with various timeframes available, from 1-minute intervals to 1 hour, depending on your requirements. To change the time frame, locate the time frame menu and pick your preferred interval. Many traders start with shorter intervals, like a minute, for detailed analysis, and then switch to hourly views for a broader perspective. Next up is customizing the chart appearance. Click Settings, located in the chart options. Within Settings, you can adjust colors to suit your preferences, enhancing both the chart's aesthetics and your analysis experience. Consider changing the color of your area chart line and its fill. Additionally, modify the opacity to better distinguish between the shaded area and the background. The next point of focus is the status line. Access it from the menu to customize details like indicators / symbols appearance. This is crucial for clarity. Following this, click Scales and Lines to refine the way price levels are displayed, ensuring they're easy to read. Moving forward, the canvas area of settings allows you to make overall adjustments to your chart's background. These tweaks contribute significantly to visual comfort, especially over extended review periods. Having reached this point, navigate to the Trading tab to configure settings pertinent to executing and monitoring trades directly from your chart. And don't forget the Alerts tab to set up alerts for specific price movements, keeping you informed of critical changes that fit your criteria. Lastly, click on Events to manage how news or economic events are displayed on your chart, giving you key context relevant to price movements. After following these steps, review your final chart settings. Ensure every configuration aligns perfectly with your analytical needs. With your newly customized area chart, you're now ready to make more informed trading decisions with greater ease. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.